Hello, and thank you for choosing the University of Iowa Fleet Services. This video provides a short tutorial showing the process of checking out and returning a vehicle at the Fleet Services rental kiosk. The kiosk is located near the Children's Hospital Discharge Lobby on lower level 1 of Hospital Ramp 2. Also located in this lobby is the south elevator of Hospital Ramp 2. To check out a vehicle, approach the kiosk and touch the screen to begin. Then, using the keyboard, enter your Hawk ID and password, then touch Login. Select Check Out a Vehicle from the main menu using the touchscreen. This will bring up the list of your reservations that are eligible to be checked out from the kiosk. If the list is blank, it may be because you are either more than 15 minutes early or the reservation was not set up to be checked out at the kiosk. Contact our office if you run into this issue. There is a phone that you can use located to the left of the automatic door. Touch the blue confirmation number to the left of the reservation you want to check out. Review the details of the reservation and confirm that the information on the screen is correct. If everything is correct except for your return time, continue checking out the vehicle and call our office to adjust your return time. If something other than the return time is incorrect, call our office or call the emergency number after hours before proceeding with your checkout. Once you touch checkout, you will have 60 seconds to retrieve the vehicle's key from the cabinet. Wait until you hear a click and the light turns green. Then you can lift up the latch and open the cabinet. Locate the green light next to the key for your vehicle. Turn it a quarter turn to the left and pull both the key and the card holder out of the slot. Latch and secure the cabinet before leaving. The vehicles are parked in a block of spaces in the southwest corner of lower level 1 inside Hospital Ramp 2. When you exit the lobby, walk straight ahead and click the lock button on the keys to help find the vehicle. When you return from your trip, take a picture of or write down the vehicle's odometer. You will need the updated odometer reading in order to check in the vehicle. To check in a vehicle, approach the kiosk and touch the screen to begin. Enter your Hawk ID and password, and then touch Login. This time, select Check in a Vehicle. This will bring up the list of your reservations that are eligible to be checked in at the kiosk. Select the vehicle you are returning. Update the fuel level and enter the mileage in from your trip. The mileage is part of the billing calculation for all reservations, so it is very important that the correct ending odometer is entered. Confirm that the details on the screen are correct. If there is anything you need to let us know about the vehicle, like it has a low tire light on, or a previous customer left an item in the car, use the keyboard to enter your comment in the reservation comments box. When you are ready, touch Check-in. Once you touch Check-in, you will have 60 seconds to replace the vehicle's key in the cabinet. Again, wait until you hear a click and the light turns green. Then you can lift up the latch and open the cabinet. Find the green light indicating the proper slot. Insert both the card holder with the oval facing up into the slot and the key. Turn the key a quarter turn to the right to lock the card holder into place. Be sure to latch and secure the cabinet before leaving. Remember, it is your responsibility to refuel the vehicle prior to returning it. To fuel the vehicle, use the supplied Right Express credit card in the card holder attached to the keys. Unlike normal UI Fleet Services fuel cards that can only be used outside the Iowa City Coralville area, this fuel credit card can be used at local gas stations to fill the vehicle up prior to return. Follow these instructions to use the WEX fuel card. The card functions like a normal payment card and can be swiped inside the gas station or at the pump. If prompted or asked for credit or debit, select credit. After swiping the card, you will be prompted to enter an updated odometer reading. Prior to exiting the vehicle and beginning the process, make note of the current mileage so you are ready to accurately input it when asked. Next, you will be prompted to enter a driver ID number. The driver ID number, or PIN, is a 6-digit number that starts with a 4, followed by the last 4 digits of the vehicle's license number, and then the number 5. Once the pump has been authorized, select an appropriate fuel type and fill the tank. If you are not sure what type of fuel to use, check the vehicle's key tag. It will state the desired fuel type for the vehicle there. If the keychain lists E85 or Flex for the fuel type, please fuel with E85 if it is available. If not, then use E10. If the keychain lists E10 for the fuel type, the vehicle can only take E10. For help with an issue during business hours, please speak to a Fleet Services representative by calling 319-384-0564. For help during non-business hours, call Parking Dispatch at 319-335-8312.